Cold outreach is the most powerful way to connect with potential client, driving business success and growing your network. But for the beginner, it's really a daunting task, and that's why we are here. I am Tanzil from Doplac.com, and today I will give you an overview how you can create a multi-channel cold outreach campaign using Doplac.com. As we made a lot of video about how you can connect your inbox to your Doplac.com account, how you can connect your LinkedIn account to your Doplac.com account. But today I'm going to give you an overview how you can create a campaign from the very beginning to end using Doplac.com cold outreach features. So let's create your first cold outreach campaign back to your Doplac.com account. And here's the very few things actually you have to do first to create a first cold outreach multi-channel cold outreach campaign. You have to connect your inbox provider to your Doplac.com account. You have to connect your LinkedIn account to your Doplac.com account. To connect your different account or inbox provider to your Doplac.com account, click on account under the cold outreach section, and here it is as several account or several actually inbox provider connected to my account here. And to add more account, just click on add more account, and here it is, you can connect it different inbox provider to your Doplac.com account. We made actually video all the things about how you can connect your different inbox provider. I'm gonna provide all the video link in the description below. You can check them out, and you have to connect your LinkedIn also to create a multi-channel cold outreach campaign. So we already have a dedicated video about how you can connect your LinkedIn to your Doplac.com account. So I'm also going to provide the link in the description below of the video, so you can check the video out. So when you are done with your account connection, or when you're done with your connecting your inbox or LinkedIn account, now you are ready to actually go to create your first cold outreach campaign, multi-channel cold outreach campaign. So create a cold multi-channel cold outreach campaign using Doplac.com. Just click on campaign, and here it is. To create a new campaign, just click on create new campaign. Give your campaign a name. I'm gonna choose my name, campaign name. Okay, then just click on create. Now you have to choose the lead actually you want to send the cold outreach campaign. If you need any help how to upload your lead on the Doplac.com, your Doplac.com account, we already have a video about how you can upload your contact on Doplac, and I'm going to provide the link also in the description below. You can check the video out. So I'm going to choose the lead. I'm going to choose this list, and when you are done with the list, I'm going to choose the list. Now done. Okay, if you want to accept any specific tag and segment from the list, then you can do it, but I'm not gonna do anything else. Just click on upload lead when you are done with your lead uploadation, and here it is. Now you can design your cold outreach sequence. So for the very first step, I am going to choose an email. I will send an email to the prospect I have chosen. So after that, I'm going to add another step. I will visit the LinkedIn profile of the prospect. So for the first email setup, you can choose a different subject line to test it out. I'm gonna choose two different subject line. So I'm gonna write something random here to make it actually short. You can use dynamic syntax from here to make your subject line more personalized, and when you are done with the subject line, you can write down your email body here. So I'm going to choose something random actually to make the video fast. And for the second step, I will visit the LinkedIn profile of the prospect. You can choose the time, how many time it should take, how days it should take for the second step. I'm going to choose 2 days, so it will take 2 days for the second step from the first steps. So for the third step, I will send an email again to the prospect. So I'm going to choose my time, another 2 days. Choose a subject line here. I'm going to choose a random subject line to actually make the video fast. Okay, and now I'm going to add another sequence. Now I will send a request on the LinkedIn of the prospect to the prospect. So now here it is. When you are choosing your sending connection request, you can write down your connection note here, and you can also use dynamic syntax to make your connection note personalized. So at this way, you can use as many sequence as you want. When you are done with your sequence design, you just click on save and continue. And here it is. Actually, I didn't provide the subject line. You have to write down all the subject line to before save and continue. Okay, now I'm okay. Just save and continue. And here it is. Under the settings section, you have to choose the email address you want to actually choose your email you want to use for the campaign. And I'm going to choose all the inbox I have connected to my Doplac.com earlier. And now I'm gonna choose my LinkedIn accounts, as I have actually created a multi-channel core outreach campaign. So when you are creating a multi-channel core outreach campaign, as I mentioned earlier, that you have to connect your LinkedIn account. And here it is. Here are some actually simple things. If you want to stop sending the sequence to the prospect after getting a reply, you just have to turn down the button. And if you want to stop sequence to the prospect after getting an auto reply, if you want to stop it, just you have to turn down the button. Okay. And here it is. Under the sending limit, you have just the highest 50 sending limit for each inbox provider. So if you want to get the more higher limit, you have to actually connect more inbox provider to your Doplac.com account. We know that sending limit is very important when it comes to cold outreach campaign. To get a high deliverability and open rate, sending limit it's really important. So that's why we are giving you just 50 sending per day for every single inbox provider. And same as we know that how important and how crucial a LinkedIn account for a business. So you can actually use a LinkedIn account for highest 30 activity every single day. So if you need more activity, you have to connect more LinkedIn account to your Doplac.com account. Okay. So under the save settings section, here it is. You can choose time gap between every single email you want to send. So I'm gonna choose 2 minutes or 3 minutes. It should take to send an email. And under the additional setting, here's another one thing. If you are actually sending an email in every 3 minutes, then it will give a signal to the server that something robotic happening here. So if you can choose actually some random number under the additional time. I'm going to choose 5. So when you are choosing 5, after sending the first email, the software will choose a random number. As I chose 5, a random number from 1 to 5. And as an example, it took 2, and it will add it to that time I have mentioned earlier. So it will add the time with the time I have mentioned earlier to gap between an email. So second email it will send after 5 minutes. So it will give an example, give a signal to the server that it's nothing happening robotic. Someone actually sending it, a human being actually sending the email. So it's not something robotic. To make it happen, I will suggest you to make it sure that I will suggest you to actually use the additional time. So when you are done with every single thing, just click on save and continue. And here it is. Now you can choose specific time, specific date, even a specific day. You know that how important it is actually sending the right email at the right time. So now you can choose all the things. When you are done with your timing and the date settings, all the things, just click on publish now to publish your first cold outreach campaign using your Doplac.com account. And when you are done with publishing, when you publish your campaign, you just go back to your dashboard and you can track all the metrics of your cold outreach campaign. So is this simple? I hope now you have a total overview how you can start a cold outreach campaign for the very beginning to end using your Doplac.com cold outreach features. Don't forget to check out all the features that Doplac.com actually at this moment providing. It's completely free until June 1st, 2024. So you can check out every single feature Doplac.com at this moment actually providing for 100% free. And it's all for today. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have any question or any feedback regarding Doplac cold outreach campaign, we'd love to hear from you. Leave your comment or feedback in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button for more informative video from Doplac.com. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.